Good morning, everybody. This is Angela here with my coffee. Yeah, it's a little black this morning. I'm out of creamer. I like a little bit of coconut milk in my coffee, but if not, I can do it black or regular milk, whatever. But I just don't have any in the house right now. Oh, so good. So good. Okay, let's get started. We're doing kits this week. So yesterday I showed you the You Are Amazing kit. That kit is, everything comes pre-cut for you and you get the stamp set aside. It's not one of the all-inclusive kits. I'm going to do one of those tomorrow. This one is actually the kit called, it's a product medley kit. I just really noticed I have a refill here, but it says refill, but this is what came in the kit. So anyway, and this one does actually come with a refill. So what comes in the kit's all bottled in this box. So anyway, what fell? Oh, my piece of my project. Okay, anyway, what comes in the kit? It comes with a stamp set. It's called Flower and Cactus. And the only way you can get it is in this product medley. It kind of coordinates with a succulent stamp set we have in the mini catalog as well, but it's not like it exactly. And if you see here, this kind of makes a heart. Isn't that just precious? I love it. Great sentiments. I hope your birthday is filled with beautiful things. I'm always here for you. Happy, let's get on you. You are a rare find, my dear friend. I love how friendship has grown. And life can get kind of prickly. Isn't that the truth? So anyway, great stamp set. Guess what? It comes with coordinating dies. And this is all in this medley, product medley. All right. What it does not come with, well, let's just show you what it does come with. Look, you get a whole pack, 48 sheets of designer paper. That, of course, coordinates. I'm not sure, remember how many designs. I'm going to show them to you. So this one is this, and that's the back. These coordinate with the dies, okay? And, of course, if you don't want to die cut them, you can use the back side, which is gorgeous. Look at this stripe, and it's got the little prickly things. Back side of that, beautiful. I did this in Club last night, and everybody really picked that one. They liked all the different colors. Look at this. I love the lavender, the purple posy, and the Highland Heather. But on the back side of that, very traditional, deserty. Look at that one. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. That's my pieces. Back side of that. And then this one, these always a lot poinsettias, but they do coordinate with the flowers of, it's on a cactus, different types of cactus. And that's the back side of that. And of course, that's the one I'm using today. So I got my piece cut. These are 6x6. Again, you get all those. You get the stamp set, you get the dies. And if you didn't want the stamp set and dies, there's a refill kit. Or if you get the medley and won't make more. Designer paper, and guess what? Then there's these stitched felt pieces. There's different shapes. It's hard to tell here, but there's this flower and a smaller flower. There's these little flower tips. I think that's one of the smaller flowers. One of the bigger ones. See? If you see them? Hopefully you can see them. Here. The little bitty one. I love the little bitty ones especially. Okay, so lots of these. You get like 4 of these squares each, and you can see how many's on one square. So a lot. You can be very generous with your felt pieces on your projects. And it comes with baker's twine. Okay, we really are. This is kind of it's baker's, it's linen thread. I'm sorry, it's not baker's twine. It is linen thread. And I so wish we had this Clips of Coral color full time. The refill's worth getting more of that. So, all right. So what are we going to make today? This is a project, again, one more time. Refill includes this, and this. The whole project includes all of it. So, great can't talk this morning. Value. It runs $70 for the whole project. And that is a bargain when you consider you get dies and stamps and paper and embellishments and trim. So, just saying. Check it out. It's on like one of the first 2 or 3 pages of the mini catalog. I'm going to move this out of the way but not cover up what else I'm using. So, we are using a stamp this morning. And I pulled something, of course, out of this is my designer paper I chose to use. And I got a piece of Mossy Meadow and a piece of Basic White. So, I'm going to set this stuff aside a moment because I need to get Benji out. I've also pulled one of our acetate boxes. These are the 3 1/8 by 3 1/8 acetate boxes. They are the perfect size to put a little treat in. A few little Ghirardellis in here. All kinds of little treats will fit. You could put, you know, not even candy. You could put, you know, make it a little mini sewing kit. I don't know. I'm blanking out this morning. Get creative. Little spices, you know, whatever. But we're going to decorate this little acetate box. So I'm starting with my designer paper, and there it is. You can easily put this on the inside and put your stuff on the outside, but I'm just going to put it on the outside. And you can do both sides, whatever you wanted to do. Okay. Here we go. All right. And this, I'm going to cut the paper, designer paper. I'm having, oh God, it's there now. It's not straight, but it's stuck. I was wanting to open the box up so I could actually make it straight. It's a little bit off, but you know what, it's okay. It's okay. All right, there's that. And you saw me, I mounted up one of these stamps. And I've got a piece of Mossy Meadow. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to ink it up in Mint Macaron. This is one of the colors in the paper. But I'm going to take a sponge stopper and go down with a little bit of Mossy Meadow. Now, last night in club, we did a rock and roll method that we kind of just dipped it in around the edges. But I'm just going to do a dauber. Make it a little different. Okay. Here. I just daubed around the edges. I'll show you. This is what the rock and roll last night was. Now this is going to be the dauber. They're going to get mad at me because they're going to like this better. Why didn't we do the dauber last night? Ta-da! Yeah, we should have done the dauber last night. I'll agree. But, okay. Now we're going to get Benji out. And since I'm getting Benji over here, I'm going to move this out of the way for a moment. Here we go, Benji. Benji is just the perfect size. Which one's flatter? This is the flatter one. For this, I didn't get my dies out. I should have. But we're going to die cut this out. And we're going to do this with the Mossy Meadow. Okay. Alright. Let's go and do one at a time. This is so quick and easy. Look at that, isn't that cute? Don't forget when you're placing your order to use the March postcode. And you guys know what today is, right? I, as a demonstrator, get to see the new catalog that starts May 4th. It is also a great day for you guys because later today, the retirement list is going to be published. As soon as it is, I will download it and send it out in a newsletter for you. All right. All right. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is just too precious. I love that little cactus. Okay, we got our pieces. Let's little Benji up. Get his stem out of the way. Look at that. It's so small. Love it. Okay, let me get my mat back over here. It just, this moves, so that's why I have to move it out of the way to use the Benji. Normally, and for you to be able to see me use Benji. Normally I might step to the side. I already have it die cut, but yeah. Okay, so we have this. So we're going to just kind of put this down flat. Although, oh, yeah. We're going to pop this little guy. Look at that. Cute. And where's my little flowers? And these go on, you could use the mono liquid glue, or I am going to use glue dots. Okay, so I'm just going to pick a couple, stick it against the glue dot. Put your fingers behind it and stick it on. And then the other one needs maybe a little. Okay, what do you guys think? I think I need one more little purple one, don't you? Oh, but I need a tiny purple one. Yeah. Here we go. Ta-da! Okay. Now, let's take the twine, and I'm actually going to use both. You know, if I was sealing this up, I can't find my end. There it is. If I was sealing it up, I could wrap it around, tie a bow around it. But you know, I think I'm just going to add a cute little bow to this. I like these curly ends, so. Of course, I don't have my ribbon scissors over here. That would mean I was prepared. They cut easy enough. And I take a glue dot. Obviously, the glue dots are bigger than my bow, so you know, just roll it up a little bit and then put your bow on it. I think that bow needs to go right there in between the two. And there, my friends, you have a cute little treat holder. We could easily add one of those sentiments on there. I could add one of my mini messages on here. Look here. Here's a cute little thank you so much. Or just wanted to say, look at that. See? Any kind of little sentiment there would be just cute as could be. And that's where those mini messages come in handy. I've got my little stash sitting right here. All right, guys, that today is your project kit. Flower and Cactus is the product medley. And again, the difference of the product medley versus one of the kits is things are not stamped for you. There are no pre-designed ideas, although the catalog is full of them for this. So it's a great, wonderful kit. I hope maybe it will show up on somebody's order today. Remember, when you're placing an order, stamp after sunrise at stampitup.net, and be sure and use the March host code. I gotta get that back into the frame for you. March host code for KAEJXUX. The sun is trying to peep through today, so it's gonna be a beautiful day in the 70s here in Nashville. Hope you are going to have a great day, and be sure and have the sunshine in your heart. Have a great day, guys. Bye.